This is the story of two best friends. Let's have a look at their life. Ram and Shyam love to go for long rides and are equally passionate about their bikes. However, there's one little difference. While Ram enjoys a peaceful sleep, Shyam is losing his sleep over the safety of his bike. Ram, how come you are so carefree and cheerful while I constantly worry about my bike? Well, that's because you are only thinking about the problem, while I have the solution. Mootrack Technologies. With this GPS tracking system, I get alert SMS if my bike is moved. Now you can track your vehicle anytime, anywhere. Mootrack Technologies. Visit our website www.mootrack.in.